In shipbuilding, construction machinery, and steel structure manufacturing, manufacturers often face many challenges. Oversized workpieces cannot be processed. Extra thick plates are difficult to cut. Traditional processing is inefficient, making it difficult to meet project deadlines. Morn Laser introduces the FL series to solve these challenges. The FL series features a split bed design with an innovative dual bed structure. The inner bed supports heavy plates and absorbs cutting heat, effectively resisting thermal deformation and heavy load deformation. The outer bed independently supports the gantry, ensuring long-term cutting precision. The modular cutting table design allows the working area to be freely configured according to different production requirements. It also supports simultaneous processing of multiple sheets. The FL series is equipped with an Aviation aluminum crossbeam and a servo drive system, delivering a maximum linkage speed of 80 meters per minute and acceleration up to 0.8 G, maintaining high-speed performance even across large working areas. The Z-axis features a fully enclosed modular design, providing smoke protection, dust protection, and maintenance-free operation. The FL series also offers an optional zoned dust extraction system, which follows the cutting path in real time to efficiently remove smoke and dust, making production safer and more environmentally friendly. To further improve safety, the FL series offers an optional enclosed gantry structure, effectively enhancing production safety. With laser power ranging from 12 to 40 kilowatts, the FL series easily handles thick plate cutting applications. An optional bevel cutting function supports 0 to plus or minus 45-degree bevel cutting and can process V, X, Y, and K bevels, greatly improving processing efficiency. Equipped with an intelligent bus control system, the machine delivers advanced smart functions. Intelligent piercing enables second-level penetration without spatter or lens damage, greatly improving efficiency. Automatic recutting ensures complete cutting by detecting uncut areas and reprocessing them automatically, enhancing overall stability. With one click, processing reports can be generated, including cutting data, consumable life, and maintenance reminders, clear and transparent. The intelligent cutting head features high-speed edge detection for automatic calibration, maximizing both safety and efficiency. With closed-loop monitoring and built-in sensors, it enables rapid diagnostics and early warnings. The anti-collision design allows quick recovery after impact, reducing downtime and operational costs. Optional crossbar enclosure for enhanced safety, environmental friendliness, and stability. Different applications require different solutions. Choose the working size and machine configuration that best fits your production needs. Morn Laser FL Series, redefining large format ground rail laser cutting machines.